syempre, iwas-iwasan mo na rin yung pagiging madamot kay ate mo, yung pagiging masungit mo kay ate mo. Sana mas bumait ka. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
That's why we're young and full of life. We gotta do it.
Baby, happy 7th birthday, anak. Happy ka?
Let's fly like Peter Pan.
Hindi man nagawang nakauwi ni Mami ngayong birthday mo. At least, salvo man lang natin. So, syempre ni Mami, sana lagi kang malusog. Kaya ni ate, lumaki ng magalang. At syempre may takot sa Diyos. Enjoy mo ang birthday mo ngayong araw mo, anak. Para sa'yo lahat yan. And then, last birthday, baby. God bless you. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. I love you. I miss you. Mwah!
Look at all of these possibilities. Look at all of these possibilities. Anything can happen. 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 Feeling wild, feeling free. Look at all of these possibilities. 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow, 7 seconds!
Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Look at all of these possibilities. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Look at all of these possibilities. Anything can happen. 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 This world is ours to take. These rules were meant to break. Life can be
Birthday to you! Lakasan po natin! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Taas to you! Okay, Andrea, you make a wish first and then you blow the candle. Alright, palakpakan po lahat dito!